Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my traditional box braids. So basically what I'm doing is I'm parting the back right now. So I made a section from ear to ear and I put that aside, which is going to be my front section. And for the back, I think I had about 8 to 9 rows. I'll have it on the screen and I'm doing bricklayering. So if you don't know what a traditional box braid is, it's basically braids before knotless braids. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you how I do my box braids. So basically what you want to do is take the amount of hair you think you're going to need, and this will differentiate by the size of the braid you're doing. So just make sure you know and have the same amount of hair for each braid so they're somewhat equal. So also make sure your part is nice and crisp, you want it to look neat. So I personally like to pre-part, as you guys saw before, and then go over that part with like gel and a comb, like maybe a rat tail comb, whatever you like, and then just put the rest of the hair somewhere else so it's not getting in your braid. And then I'm gonna put some gel just around like the section I just took out, just to make it a little bit more neater, I guess. And then I'm going to take my hair and hold it with my thumb and index finger. And I'm also going to have a zoom in clip. There you go. So basically what you want to do is wrap the two parts around your natural hair and then take your natural hair and bring it to the left side and then kind of just start ear braiding. It's a little bit hard to explain, but I am showing it in the video and I slowed it down. So hopefully it's easier for you to like understand. So as you're continuing to braid down, when your natural hair is starting to stop, take some parts from the braiding hair and just bring it into that section so you can continue braiding it down. So basically just continue doing this. Okay, so we are still at the back section, but I wanted to show how I part mine because I know some people kind of get confused at this part. So basically what I like to do is split this part in half and just like pre-section it, I guess. So at the bottom part, I'm gonna put 2 braids, and then at the top part, I'm gonna make a semicircle, have that as 1 braid, and then the rest is gonna be 3 braids. And I'm gonna show you in the next clip so you kind of know what I mean when I say that. So now we're at the front section. I don't know why the video is so crispy, but it's fine. So basically, we're now parting the section that we sectioned out before in the beginning. So I think I had about 6 rows in the front, and the first 2 rows, which is the ones closest to the ear, I had 3 braids, and then the next two was four, and then the top two, which is like where your middle part is, I had 5 rows, and this is on each side. And because you're in the front, make sure you're gripping it a little, well, not tighter, but gripping it really well, but don't grip your edges off, please. So this is the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. See you later. Bye.